Hello everyone, welcome back. This video presents the latest features and enhancements in the BoldDesk ticketing system. We have released new features aimed at refining the support workflow and boosting client satisfaction. I'll show you the features organized by module. First, let's look at the updates made to the admin module. We have introduced a new feature called Agent Shift Management. This feature efficiently manages support team work hours, adjusting agent availability based on shift schedules. This streamlines auto-assignment, speeding up customer service responses. We have also implemented a load-based auto-assignment feature to boost support team productivity. This feature can lead to faster response times, as tickets are less likely to be delayed by an overloaded agent. To enhance security in BoldDesk, we have introduced two-factor authentication for agents. This feature adds an additional layer of security during login. In addition to a password, agents will be prompted to enter a security code from an authenticator app. Administrators can choose to make it mandatory for all agents to enable the two-factor authentication. Please note that two-factor authentication is only applicable for BoldDesk form logins and not for single sign-on logins. Next, we have added support for IMAP-Office 365 auth and email configurations. We have implemented support for Microsoft OAuth authentication in BoldDesk to facilitate the configuration of IMAP. You can now use Microsoft OAuth authentication in BoldDesk to securely access your IMAP settings without storing or sharing your password. Next, we have implemented an advanced customization option for the customer portal. This option allows for minor adjustments using custom CSS or JS in the customer portal settings. New configuration settings have been added for ticket fields. A new setting, mandatory for any status change, has been introduced for ticket fields to enforce filling in fields whenever a ticket status is changed. This configuration ensures that missing, mandatory data is updated, especially when status updates are the only changes made. BoldDesk has introduced a page in the Audit Logs module, which shows a list of email recipients who have been blocked. BoldDesk's email delivery monitoring system actively blocks outgoing emails to certain addresses when errors such as email not found or access denied arise to safeguard our email reputation. As a result, these addresses will not receive subsequent communications sent through the BoldDesk platform. Admins can review the list and contact BoldDesk support if they suspect that a recipient has been wrongfully blocked, with a legitimate justification to have the block lifted. In this release, we have added a new setting that allows users to ignore the automatic suspension of inbound emails. By enabling the Disable Email Suspension filter option, the system will not suspend tickets that do not meet certain criteria. Note that this setting does not disable all email filters, but only specific ones like automated responses, validated sender cases, and spam detection. In the ticket automation, we have added placeholder support for automation note actions, enabling the incorporation of additional ticket attributes into the notes. Additionally, we have included a language condition field in all triggers. The automation rules condition now includes an agent language field and an email action placeholder. This allows for the customization of email content to match the language preference of the agent. We have also included the isChanged operator for the approval status in the automation rule condition setting. This enables the rule to trigger exclusively when approval is granted or denied. Let's move to the integrations module updates. Users can now integrate BoldDesk with the HubSpot CRM. With this integration, users can view HubSpot contacts, companies, and deals information in BoldDesk. Add new contacts, deals, and companies to HubSpot. Send newly created and closed ticket details to HubSpot as activities. BoldDesk also now integrates with the Exotel app for seamless call management. This enables businesses to handle calls, track call history in real time, and make and receive calls with ease. The integration lets you initiate calls to customers directly from BoldDesk, instantly connect to clients with click-to-call, automatically record outgoing calls, generate tickets automatically for all outbound, inbound, and missed calls, add notes in manual ticket creation, and listen to call recordings on BoldDesk. Let's see the improvements for the AI copilot. AI features, which were exclusive to our enterprise and business plans, are now available for our growth and pro plans. However, they will be offered as a free add-on for a limited period of time. Next, there's a new page that displays questions that BoldDesk's Copilot was unable to answer. Administrators can review the unanswered questions, identify gaps in the knowledge base, which serves as the data source for the Copilot, and fill them. A feature that enables agents to provide feedback on the answers generated by the AI Copilot is also now available. This feedback can be monitored and utilized to enhance the system's performance and improve future responses. We have also incorporated roles and permissions related to the AI features. Permissions can be set to regulate which agents are authorized to use AI features, thereby providing a way to manage access to these capabilities. Next are the updates made to the Reports module. First, we have added a new activity dashboard to track and analyze the inflow of activities over time. In the Support Monitoring dashboard, a new widget has been added to track the number of agents with each availability status. This widget allows for monitoring the availability of agents in real time. In the Agent Performance dashboard, we have added two new widgets. The first widget displays statistics related to the Activity module. The second widget allows users to view the consolidated performance of agents in table format. Now, let's see the updates in the Ticketing module. Previously, there was no option to include files when forwarding a ticket. Support has now been added to let you select and attach files. We have introduced a shortcut option in the rich text editor. Simply type a / to access editing options. Additionally, the text editor now offers an enhanced user experience for inserting code snippets. We have also improved the system to add tags automatically to merged tickets. To filter out tickets that have not been merged, use the condition tag "Not All Merged" in your filter settings. Next, let's see the updates in the Activity module. The Advanced Activity filter has been improved by adding extra fields and supporting a broader range of operators for filtering. A new permission to restrict viewing of all activities was added to the Activity module. Now, admins can grant access to all activities or only to those created by or assigned to specific agents, and those to which they've been added as a watcher. We have also added an indication feature for pending activities. A red dot notification will appear when a logged-in user has a pending activity. This indication feature was also added to the Approval module for when a logged-in user has pending approvals. We have also improved approvals by adding support for rich text formatting in the description. Additionally, file upload support has been provided for approval requests. User can now attach files when creating approval requests. Let's now see the updates made to the Knowledge Base module. We have provided a new, predefined filter in article listings. A new view, My Review, has been added to list the articles sent to the logged-in user for review. We have also introduced new sorting options based on the on-view count and comment count in the article list page. Finally, let's go through the updates made to the mobile application. Support for file attachment has been provided for forwarded tickets, like in the web application. With the mobile app, agents can now get real-time notifications as soon as their requests get approved, keeping them fully informed and maintaining a smooth workflow. Finally, we have included approval-related notifications in the mobile app that users can customize. In this video, I showed you the new features and enhancements made to the BoldDesk software across all the modules. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.